It's Friday, 15th of March. As you can imagine, I'm not going to have an awful lot to say, unfortunately, because we haven't done a lot. As you can see from the dollar yen, we've traded within last week's range on the weekly chart. Held the 100-week moving average. We haven't even managed to test the 200-week moving average. So for me, the line in the sand was around 111.45 this week. A break higher was bullish. We got up to 111.83. Today we've retested that low, that support area around the mid 111.40 area. We actually bounced off 111.48. So we've been up to 111.89 today. This looks pretty positive. If you're long after the break higher, you're safe having held support. So let's see if we can push higher on that pair today. Euro, I suggested selling up around the 113.20.30 level, which did work because we dipped a little bit to just below 113.00, but not much of a profit in that. We've bounced back again to 113.30, so I guess we just have to see if we break above 113.45. That would be more positive, and we could even head up to 113.65.70, which is an obvious resistance there from moving averages and trend lines. And if we break below yesterday's low at 112.90, we could get down to 112.80, 112.75 was actually my target for some profit taking on the shorts. Dollar versus Canadian is, well, it's tested my support level down at 132, 133.00, 132.90. It's tested it for the last 3 days, tested it again this morning. So you certainly had enough chances to be long, and clearly if we break below sort of 132.75, that is going to be a problem, and we need to stop out of longs. But I am long, and I'm hoping that we do start to see a good recovery. The hourly chart shows this little double bottom low, so this gives me some extra confidence that the dollar can push the Canadian lower, and we can head up to sort of 133, I would say 2030. 133.20.30 would be the first target, and then above here we'll definitely be looking for 133.50.60. If we got up there today before the weekend, that'd be really nice. We could take a good profit, 50 pips profit or something on that before the weekend. I really don't have any new trade ideas because we've obviously just been ranging all week, so the levels that I have mentioned seem to have worked, but there's nothing else to add now, as you can understand, I'm sure. Oil might be worth a look. It's breaking higher. It's beaten this previous high of 57.88, 50. Well, anyway, it's through $58, which is pretty good for oil. So if you're interested in buying that breakout, yesterday where did we dipped back down to $58, so I should have shown you that. Really, it's not a great trading opportunity, but you can see if we hold above $58 that this looks quite good, and I think eventually we can hit the mid $59 area. We've got a bit of trend line resistance further up here at the $60 area, but all looks good for oil. It's also worth noting that we're just breaking through the 100-week moving average in the mid $58 area, just as we get to 58.75. So yeah, this looks pretty bullish for oil.